finally happening. Like, how long have we been thinking about this? Probably since like third year at least. And once we get this box in, we'll be officially moved in. Hey, can you just get that door for me, please?
I think this calls for a break. We should go for a walk.
Well, you said the W word now, so we kind of have to.
Hi, you must be the new arrival. Welcome. I'm Emily. If you need anything, feel free to ask. I'm Beth. This is Matthew, and that's Katie. Okay, well, I hope you settled in well. Don't ask what the lights outside your window are.
What was that last part again? What's the matter? Yeah, that's pretty weird. Do apartments normally do that?
Okay, I'm gonna ring the landlord. Keep an eye on that. Okay, yeah, no phone reception, so.
Hello, I am Bear.
It's getting weirder.
Hello, I am Bear. Made breakfast.
They're so cute. Oh my god, I love them.
It's a talking bear, like an actual bear. How did it get in here? And where's Dog?
You didn't eat dog, did you?
Hello, I am Bear. I'm vegan.
Okay, fair enough. But where did you come from, bear?
Portal. Hello. Dire circumstances are at hand.
Dire circumstances?
Yes, I am Bear. Hello. Where's Emmy?
Bear? Why are you here?
How did you get in here?
I'm here to deal with your glowing portal situation, but I think it could be much worse than I thought. Bear, why are you here?
Hello, I am Bear. Cosmic Worm is coming.
That's bad. That is really, really bad. What's a cosmic worm? Pain. Cosmic worm is pain. Bear, where's Barry?
Time for tea.
Barry!
What is that?
This is Barry the timekeeper. All of time is under his supervision. Go with the cosmic worm. Barry, what happened?
I shall tell you all. The cosmic worm. The notion of some infinitely suffering thing. The headache you get behind your eyes. You see it and wonder, do I dare? And do I dare disturb the universe? In a minute, there is time for decisions and revisions, which in a minute will reverse. I have known the eyes already, known them all. Those eyes that fix you in a hollow stare. I have seen this moment of my greatness flicker, and I have seen the eternal Undertaker look at me and laugh. And in short, I was afraid.
That sounds awful. Is there anything we can do?
What does the cosmic worm want?
Nothing. He wants nothing.
Well, is that so bad then?
No, I mean literally nothing, as in all of this. Gone.
Then how do we stop him?
I think, well, I have a plan. So we're going to train to be space boys, and then we're going to get a rocket ship, we're going to go to the other planet. Then we're going to get the cosmic worm. Day is saved.
Okay, a couple of things. Number one, I don't know how to be a space boy. We don't have a rocket ship. We can't train for that. And you haven't even explained how we defeat the cosmic worm.
Leave all that to me. Most important thing is you guys gotta get training. Katie, could you hand me that book on the radio there? Okay, thank you. Here, the power of the 80s movie montage magic. With that, we'll be in shape before the chorus even hits. Whoa!
Whoa! Oh.
I guess we're starting now. Well, that was productive. Where's Matthew?
I think he's still montaging.
Okay, well, go get him, because we need to go to the other planet. Okay, so you gotta keep your eyes peeled. The cosmic worm could be. What are you wearing?
Oh, what, this thing? It's my spacesuit for space adventurers.
You know what? I don't even want to know. But keep your eyes peeled, okay? I'm serious. The cosmic worm could be. There he is!
You know what? This alien planet looks a lot like the garden that we just montaged in.
Guys. Okay, so as we can clearly see, the cosmic worm is trapped in this jam jar. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yep, there it is. I thought there was going to be like a big battle or something.
I guess not. Alright, back to Earth. Okay, cosmic worm defeated and the day is saved. Do you guys want to watch a movie? There's a bunch I've been meaning to check out.
Did someone say news? Breaking news. All the jam jars in the local area are reportedly acting very strange. Smuggling worms have appeared in the jam jars and are causing havoc. The worms appear to be on their way to your apartment right now.
Can you get out, please?
I'm Angel Newsman.
Did he say there's going to be more worms?
The cosmic worm. It's making an army. I don't want to have to do this, but I think we need to kill a cosmic worm.
Why didn't you want to do it? If you don't like squashing bugs, I'll do it for you. Katie, toss me the worm!
Wait!
Why?
Don't kill him!
Why not?
You'll kill Barry and Bear!
How does that work?
Barry, Bear, and the cosmic worm live in a codependent relationship, what we in science call symbiosis. They're the beginning, the middle, and the end. You can't have one without the other. Kill the cosmic worm, you kill them all.
Okay, but if we leave it, it'll destroy everything.
I don't want to have to do this. I mean, I knew the cosmic worm. They were different. Do we have to?
Hello, I am Bear, willing to sacrifice myself for the greater good of the universe. Hello.
Well, I still don't want to, but as long as you're okay with it. Goodbye, Barry. Goodbye, Bear.
Wait, no, don't need that!
Done.
Dog?
Yeah.
He ate the cosmic worm. Can you hand me my notes there, could you? Yeah, okay, thank you. Oh yeah, that makes sense. He ate the cosmic worm and absorbed his power. No more cosmic worm and the symbiosis isn't disrupted. And yeah, that's a much better idea. Why didn't I think of that?
Breaking news! All the jam worms have disappeared. I'm getting reports that there's no more jam worms. And now, tonight, with the news. I'm Nigel Newsman. How are you?
Okay, thanks. Well, I could use a hand dumping this. You guys mind giving me a hand?
So what next?
Finally, the blue travel chalk is mine! Yeah!
Oh, hello!
Schnitzel?
Oh my god, he's alive!
Hey!
Oh wow.